And so you have to do that math, that Debbie did, like, well, how are they going to read me? Which one's going to be less threatening to other people, right? So, but if you get into the bathroom, you find out it's a single stall bathroom. Well, why are those bathrooms gendered? How many of y'all have gendered bathrooms in your homes? What is the gender of a toilet, right? And so that's literally a thing you can do today. Look at your physical space. If you have a single stall bathroom, if it does not just say all gender bathroom, take down that sign, print out or handwrite, whatever you got to do, tape it over that. You don't have to do extensive renovation of your bathrooms or whatever else, right? And then be very clear about that. So like those are ways that you communicate welcome without communicating welcome, right? Because it's like more than your words. I've heard a lot of churches say, yeah, you're welcome. Then you show up and then you're actually not. Like, oh, right. Y'all ain't even buy the food yet. Y'all didn't cook. I'm not actually welcome here. Or you cooked food that I don't eat, right? So it's like not just what you say or convincing someone, it's how are you shifting culture? Because the bigger thing with that is, right, is not only have you shown this person, maybe it's my time in Missouri, it's the show me state, you've shown this person, no, we really do. We are committed to welcome. So we're going to not just have white men on our walls. We're going to not just have boys and girls in our book or men, women in our liturgy. And we're going to say specifically cisgender, trans, LGBTQ, anti-racism, from the pulpit. Our leadership is not going to be just cis het white, right? Show me your budget. You know, you say you care about these things. How does your budget look around youth stuff, around whatever else, right? So show me that you really mean you're being welcoming.